What's up, Monster Jam fans? I'm Brandin.
I'm Jace, and welcome back to another episode of Revved Up Recap!
That was so loud! Yeah, just like the real show. Today's all about the sights and sounds of Monster Jam.
And subscribes, so hit that button! Yeah!
A live Monster Jam event is crazy! The rev of the engines, the roar of the crowd!
You don't just hear it, you can feel it too!
Why are you wearing those Monster Tire earmuffs?
Because they're not only functional, they're stylish! They make my head look like a monster truck! Whoa! Yeah!
That's one way to describe it.
Huh?
Nothing?
Check out what happens at a live event!
Trivia. Regular cars have 120 to 200 horsepower.
And you know how fast a regular car can go.
Monster trucks have 1,200 to 1,500 horsepower, with some even having up to 2,000 horsepower.
That's like having 10 car engines in one truck.
Man, that show was over the top.
The lights, the sound!
Should we go to the wall?
Yes. Why are you yelling? If only there was a way we could bring the action and sounds of Monster Jam to life.
What? Revved Roar Monster Jam trucks. It's the next best thing to going to a live show. Whoa! They're huge! They look legit and sound legit! Real looks, real sounds. How about some real stunts?
Bring on the Recreation Challenge!
This is gonna take recreations to the next level. We made a track with a ton of mega-sized jumps and challenges using monster dirt. Now, let's bring the sights and sounds to life.
It's time for Megalodon to do what Megalodon does best. I see a ramp. Y'all know what that means.
Put the pedal to the metal, we're bringing the backflip to life.
Let's do it!
Oh, amazing! Oh, the crowd goes wild, he sticks the landing!
Victory lap!
Want to recreate the Recreation Challenge on your own? Start with the Monster Jam Revved Roar Gravedigger and Megalodon trucks and Monster Dirt. Then add more Monster Dirt to build out your course. Thanks for bringing the noise, Monster Jam Maniacs! Let's do it again next time on our season finale where we get a sneak peek of what's coming up the pipe with Monster Jam!
You see that like button? You know what it needs? A good old-fashioned crushing!
Real trucks,
real action,
Monster Jam!
What's louder, Monster Jam or my bird?
Let's see!
You're gonna need these.